Stop falling for the green leaves on the packaging. I am tired of seeing good people get tricked into buying eco-friendly collections that are actually 100% plastic. So today I am giving you my personal 5-point checklist. This is the exact list that I use before even I think of adding an item into cart. Let's go through the 5 non-negotiable questions that you need to ask every brand. The first thing you do, ignore the eco-conscious label on the front and go straight to the care or product details tab. If a brand says they are sustainable but they also say that they use 90% recycled polyester or virgin nylon, we have a problem. Why? Because plastic is still plastic. Even if it's recycled, it still sheds microplastic with every wash. Is this natural biodegradable fiber or synthetic one? If it's blend, is it 80% natural? If they don't list the percentages at all, it's a massive red flag. Anyone can print organic on a t-shirt? It's just a word. What you are looking for are certifications. Does the brand mention they are GOTS? Are they fair trade certified? Do they have B Corp status? Now listen, smaller brands might not have the budget for this expensive global certifications, and that's okay. But if they don't have the certification, they must have the transparency to explain that process. If there are no certificates and no details, close the tab. Sustainability isn't just about planet, it's about people. Go to their About Us page. If you see generic photos of nature but zero photos of the process, the artisans, actual workshop or tailors, it's a red flag. A truly sustainable brand is proud of its supply chain. They will name the clusters they work with, whether it's artisans in Jaipur or fair wage factory in Tripur. Does this brand show me the humans behind the clothes, or they are hiding behind the aesthetic lifestyle photography? This is the easiest way to spot fake. Sustainability and fast fashion speeds cannot coexist. If a brand is dropping 5 new designs every week, they are not sustainable, period. Producing at that volume requires exploitation, either of the environment or of the people. How often are they launching new stuff? Truly sustainable brands have a permanent collection or very small intentional drops. If they are pushing new collection at you every 3 days, they are just fast fashion brands in clean clothing. I know we all love a deal, but we have to be realistic. If a brand is selling sustainable organic cotton dress for just rupees 499, somewhere someone is losing. Between the cost of organic seed, fair wage farmers, fair wages for tailors, and eco-friendly dyes, the math just doesn't add up at that price point. Is the price too good to be true? If it is, then sustainability is just a marketing word, not a practice. I know this feels like a lot of homework, but once you start looking at these 5 things, you will start seeing through the marketing fluff in seconds. You will save money, you will have high quality wardrobe, and you'll be actually supporting brands who are trying to do something right. I have put together a list of 5 brands who pass this test. What's one brand you love that you're curious about? Drop their name in the comment and let's do the greenwashing audit in the next video.